In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Lightroom Classic. Watermarking is an essential step for photographers looking to protect their images or simply give them a professional touch. Whether you're adding a logo or just your brand name as a watermark, Lightroom Classic makes it quite straightforward. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process, ensuring you feel confident by the end of this video. To begin, you can be in any of Lightroom's modules, whether it's Library, Develop, or any other. On a Windows system, you'll want to navigate to the Edit menu at the top. From there, select Edit Watermarks. This will open up the Watermark Editor dialog, which is where the magic happens. Now, you've got a couple of choices for your watermark style. If you're looking to add text, such as your name or brand, select the Text option. You'll then be prompted to enter whatever text you wish to use. It's quite flexible. You can play with the font, size, color, and even add a shadow if you want to give it that little extra pop. Alternatively, if you prefer using a graphic, like a logo, you'll select the graphic option instead. Just click Choose under the Image options, and then navigate to locate your PNG or JPEG logo file on your computer. It's essential to ensure any graphic files you use are of high quality and ideally have transparent backgrounds if that suits your style. Moving on, you'll find yourself in the Watermark Effects section. This is where you can really tweak how your watermark appears. Adjust the opacity if you want it to be more subtle and less intrusive, or leave it more opaque if you're aiming for high visibility. You can also modify the size, how far it's inset from the edge of the image, and choose where it's anchored: top, bottom, or maybe a corner. If you're feeling particularly artistic, you can even rotate it slightly. Once you're satisfied with how your watermark looks, click Save to save it as a watermark preset. You'll want to give this preset a memorable name so it's easy to find for future use. Next, select the photo or multiple photos you're planning to export. Whether you're still in the Library module or in Develop, simply go back up to File and select Export. In the Export dialog box that comes up, scroll down until you find the Watermarking section. You'll need to check the Watermark checkbox to enable it. Then, from the drop-down menu, select the watermark preset you just saved. Before you finalize everything, ensure your other export settings are configured to your liking. This includes the file format, size, color space, and any other specific details you need. Finally, click Export. All the images you export will now have your watermark seamlessly applied, ensuring your work is both protected and branded. Enjoy adding that extra layer of professionalism to your imagery.